yeah.
It's my Woody.
What does Woody say?
You're my baby daddy.
What else does he say?
What can he say?
Boot.
There's a boot.
Who is it, Briley?
Woody.
Do you like it? Are you happy?
Happy, you are my happy. Yeah.
Woody's almost as tall as Briley.
Yes.
Can you stand up? Let's see. Look at that. Woody's almost as big as Briley.
Can you show Woody to me? Can I see him? Was he waving earlier?
Yes. Howdy, partner. My Woody. I'll hug. You're hugging.